And we're recording. Tell us about Engine 62, Chris.
Well, it's a big truck. No pictures, please.
So, open it up and explain what everything does. There you go, look, I'm moving towards it there. Okay, start at the top.
Well, up here, you got tarps. They use on cover stuff that don't you want to protect. And down here, you got airbags for like rescue, cones put around the truck, so you can keep on stuff set. Got rope that come along and cups on for cooler, various extinguishers and water cans, flares, cooler, stay dry bucket, stay dry in a hopper, and high-rise pack down there, that chains that back in there for the winch, and back on behind there the chimney bucket for chimney calls, for chimney fires. Got it in there. Next compartment, got all your cribbing for accidents, stabilizing vehicles. Got air shore struts for stabilizing the vehicle. That's on the vehicles on the side and stuff. And in this compartment, got extrication equipment, cutters, spreaders, rams for rolling a dash, then two 100-foot lines, the pump, step chocks, and a pony section of hydraulic hose. And in this compartment, we got a small long section of 4-inch supply line. And here, medical bag, immobilization bag, all good. And on the inside of the truck, and medical compartment, got all of your med stuff, peds bag and all that stuff, flashlights, monitor and everything in the cab. And front of the cab, you got a tag, GPS equipment, find where you want to go. And on the front of the truck, your intake, and a winch controls and chains, front jump line, driver's compartment, one hell of a cockpit, and the other side of the cab, and here you got another pony section of supply line, and all your tools, some of your tools, irons, short pipe poles, plumbing hook, sheetrock rake, rabbet tool for popping doors, pump panel, driver's compartment. Got air pack, some adapters, toolbox, and more gun connections and everything on the board. And in here, more tools, front and back of the board, air tools and regulation and stuff. Electrical compartment, fan, saws, jack, lights, extra stuff. And back of the truck. Turbo drive. K12 rescue saw. 5-inch hose with turbo drive. And the manifold. That's all that's in here. How you doing?